The Pro Max series stands as Apple's most powerful model in the current smartphone market. The iPhone 15 Pro Max, being the flagship model of the iPhone 15 series, stands out by encompassing all the latest innovations and features offered by Apple. The most notable feature of the iPhone 15 Pro Max is the use of the A17 Pro, which is the most powerful chipset in the mobile world. The A17 Pro is the first processor manufactured using a 3 nm production process. Its advantage lies in consuming less power, ensuring the phone stays cooler, while simultaneously delivering high performance. I will list the features of the iPhone 14 Pro Max alongside the 15 Pro Max to help you better understand what the new series has to offer. Don't forget to subscribe for support before we jump into the video. Let's start with the design. The phone is 19 grams lighter and 0.4 mm thicker compared to the previous series. It weighs 221 grams and has a thickness of 8.3 mm. The front and back are protected by Corning-made ceramic glass, and the 5th-grade titanium side frames contribute to the phone's lighter and more durable build. The mute button has been replaced by a new action button, which can be customized for different tasks. The new USB Type-C port makes things easier for many users. On the dynamic island, Face ID, front camera, proximity, and light sensors are located. The phone features high-quality dual speakers with Dolby support on the top and bottom, accompanied by 3 microphones. On the back, there is a triple camera setup, flash, and Lidar sensor. The device is IP68 certified for water and dust resistance, meaning it can withstand water up to 6 meters deep for up to 30 minutes. There are 4 color options available: black titanium, white titanium, blue titanium, and natural titanium. Inside the box, as usual, you will find the phone itself and a USB Type-C cable. The iPhone 15 Pro Max comes with a 6.7-inch Super Retina XDR OLED display with a resolution of 1290 by 2796 pixels. This OLED screen features ProMotion technology with an adaptive refresh rate ranging from 1 Hz to 120 Hz. It offers a maximum brightness of 2000 nits and 460 pixels per inch. The display includes features such as always-on display, LTPO, HDR10, Dolby Vision, and a wide color gamut with DCI-P3. Additionally, the True Tone feature automatically adjusts the screen's color and intensity based on the ambient light, and the oleophobic coating enhances resistance to fingerprints. Being the largest model in the 15 Pro Max series, it has thermal advantages. Although the A17 Pro chipset used is powerful, maintaining the same performance during prolonged gaming sessions is crucial. Games of AAA quality that we play on computers, such as Resident Evil Village, Death Stranding, and Assassin's Creed Mirage, are slowly starting to come to iPhones. Whether these steps will make iPhones competitive with handheld consoles remains to be seen in the future. The 6-core processor has 2 high-performance cores with a clock speed of 3.78 GHz, while its 4 efficiency cores operate at 2.11 GHz. The processor is accompanied by a 6-core Apple GPU for graphics processing. The 16-core neural engine chip is optimized for the efficient execution of neural networks. With the help of this chip, machine learning and artificial intelligence processes are accelerated, reducing the workload on the CPU and GPU. The phone comes with the iOS 17 operating system. In terms of internal storage, it supports up to a maximum of 1 TB NVMe storage and has 8 GB of RAM. The iPhone 15 Pro Max features Apple's most advanced camera system to date. On the rear camera island, there are 3 cameras. The 48-megapixel main camera has a focal length of 24 mm. It can capture videos in 4K at 60 fps and has optical image stabilization. It supports features such as 10-bit HDR, Dolby Vision HDR format, and ProRes, as well as cinematic mode. The 12-megapixel telephoto camera has 5x optical zoom and a focal length of 120 mm. It also features optical image stabilization. The 12-megapixel ultra-wide camera has a 120-degree field of view and a focal length of 13 mm. Additionally, with the spatial video feature introduced with iOS 17.2, the phone can use its dual cameras to capture horizontal format 3D videos, which can be compatible with the upcoming Apple Vision Pro VR glasses. Let's not overlook the black dot next to the cameras. The Lidar sensor assists in detecting the depth of the camera and focusing accordingly. Additionally, it allows you to measure the distance between objects and create a three-dimensional design of your surroundings or objects. On the front, there is a 12-megapixel camera with a focal length of 23 mm. This camera features OIS and depth sensing capabilities. It can capture videos in 4K resolution at 30 fps in cinematic mode. The iPhone 15 Pro Max is equipped with a 4441 mAh capacity battery. This battery supports 25-watt wired charging, 15-watt wireless MagSafe charging, and 4.5-watt reverse wireless charging. For communication, there are options for dual SIM, dual eSIM, or using both SIM and eSIM, depending on your region. The phone supports 5G, dual-band Wi-Fi 6E, NFC, and Bluetooth 5.3. For wired connections, it uses USB Type-C 3.2 Gen 2. Additionally, it features satellite-based navigation assistance and emergency services like sending or receiving SMS over satellite, providing potentially life-saving capabilities in critical situations. Thank you for setting aside time to watch. You can support by subscribing to the channel and sharing your thoughts. Have a good day.